Saltwater corrosion of metals happens faster than freshwater because of the increased presence of dissolved ions. These ions allow electrons to move faster on the metal, speeding up the formation of rust. The metal doesn't have to be submerged in saltwater for this to happen. In coastal areas, air contains high percentage of moisture because of sea or ocean, while in deserts air is dry and hot. As the percentage of moisture in air is more in coastal area compared to desert, rusting becomes faster. There are three important factors in seawater corrosion include chloride concentration, oxygen and temperature. Because of the chloride in seawater, it can destroy the oxide film on the surface of metal and form a complex with metal ions, which produce hydrogen ions during hydrolysis, so that the acidity of seawater increases, and the local corrosion of the metal is strengthened.
Corrosion is the process of slowly eating up metals by gas and water vapors present in the atmosphere due to the formation of certain compounds like oxide, sulfides, carbonate, etc. In addition, corrosion is also known as a natural process that changes a refined metal into a stable chemical state like oxide, hydroxide, or sulfide. It is the slow degradation of materials, often metals, caused by chemical and electrochemical interactions with their environment. Corrosion occurs when most or all of the atoms on the same metal surface are oxidized, damaging the entire surface. Most of the metals are easily oxidized. They tend to lose electrons to oxygen and other substances in the air or in water. As oxygen is reduced, gains electrons, it forms an oxide with the metal. Rusting is a part of corrosion and is a chemical process which results in the formation of red or orange coating on the surface of metals.
How can you protect steel from salt and air? One of the easiest and cheapest ways to prevent corrosion is to use barrier coatings like paint, plastic, or powder. Powders, including epoxy, nylon, and urethane, adhere to the metal surface to create a thin film. Plastic and waxes are often sprayed onto metal surfaces. We can also galvanized since it is a fasteners that do not corrode. Steel fasteners have a special coating that protects them from the salty air. Therefore, they are likely to last longer without rusting. Use a specialized metal finish that is designed for coastal areas with high levels of salty air.